What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a cable that'll help keep you playing your VR headset for a lot longer. This is going to be compatible with most VR headsets, with headsets like your MetaQuest systems. So let's open this up so we can take a look at it and see how it works. All right, so once you open this up, you notice this long cable, but you also get some information on how to find the company and also your manual. So this is going to be a 16-foot charging cable by JSAUX or JSAUX. This is going to allow you to have more room and allow you to play pretty much unlimited with your VR headset. So let's take this loose and hook it up. Now, as you unravel this cable, you'll notice some things. You get some Velcro organizers that's going to help you keep this strapped to your headset. One key benefit to having this is that it's going to allow you to charge your headset while you game, and it's going to be lightweight. So you'll just connect this USB-C L connection on the side of your headset. And then for security, you can take this Velcro strap and wrap it around your head strap. And when you do that, you have some extra security and you won't have the feel of the weight pulling down on your head strap. On the other end, you're going to get your power connection, and then you're going to have your data connection. So it's going to allow you to charge fast and also keep your data speed flowing. So that way your game is flawless. Now, to get plugged up, all you would need is going to be a USB-C power source. So I'm going to use this power brick, or if you have USB-C outlets, you can use that for power. And it's nice because they give you additional room to run that power cable, so you can have this plugged into your computer and still reach your power source if it's not directly connected to your computer or next to your computer. And you get an LED indicator that you have power once you're plugged in and you're ready to game. So you can see as I have these on, I have enough room, enough space. The cord is super long. It's taller than me. Of course, I'm not 16 feet, but this is going to give you enough room to game, and now you don't have to worry about your battery dying. Well, all right, that's going to be the 16-foot power cable for your MetaQuest or VR headsets. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.